Hello children, so welcome back to your second session of your institution of democracy. Let us move on with the promise that I will tell you how elections, like you have in the previous video you have come to know about the different ways of elections. Now we will come to know what are the election process we have. You have known about the free and fair elections. Now let us understand election process, how it is conducted, and the third institute, that is political parties in India. So let us, without wasting time, let us understand the process. Are the head of the institution of your election committee or department is your election commissioner, who take and control whole of the country's election. And what is that? How he has to control? He has divided whole of the country into electoral constituencies. The constitutions are the small unit which has been divided in a state with small units, so that the control of elections can be done into micro levels. So coming to the next is election campaign. It's one of the process of election where in India people always follow the campaign by posters, by media, by one of the rallies. They always campaign because people will understand what is their way of agenda to form a government and how they will feel secure if they come to the power or they will start ruling. Next is, after the elections are conducted, what happened? There is a result declaration date where the election commissioner's job is to declare the winning party, or whom we say he has win with an absolute majority. Now children, try to understand what is the absolute majority and simple majority. Absolute means the party who has won with a very good margin of vote, that is called as absolute part, like win or absolute majority. Simple means with a small margin it has win the election. So that is the major difference between absolute and simple. Next, what happened? The winning party will declare and have a formation of government, where he will be telling about his members, who will be their members and who will be the next prime minister or chief minister of the state or the country. In this way, election process are conducted in India. Children, as we know, we are very much free from our country. We have various political parties who are coming with their own agenda. So now if I tell about political parties, we have also divided our political parties into two things, that is your national parties and your state parties. Like national parties, your BJP, NIC, Indian National Congress, your CPI, that Communist Party of India. These are national parties who are performing throughout the nation. But local parties like your Biju Janata Dal, it is a state party who is always till 14 years it is ruling Odisha. So in this way, the political parties are playing a much vital role in India to make people to vote them for their betterments. Now children, if I take you to the world context, there are three different types of political parties that is running throughout the world. One is single party system, one is two party system, and another one is multi party system. Our country is multi party system because in democracy we have given sponsored many rights that has make us to have multi party system. But what is single party system? Where the political party has a single allowed the hold of the effective, means only one party is been there and they only form. Like China and Syria, they have a single party system. These countries always practice like that. That's why democracy is there, but it's not an indirect form of democracy, where it is a totalitarian government, we can tell also. So two party system, where you will find only two parties are contesting, like in the United States of America, like Republican Party and Democracy Party. These are the two parties in USA, those who always contest against each other, and the elections are conducted among them. And multi-party system, like various parties are there and they contest among themselves. So these are the three party system that has been controlling throughout the world. So children, this is the way that political parties are running in India and throughout the world. So coming to the waiting for the next video. and we will heading towards to the last institution of